guys! Again, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we are going to unbox another item, which is our Nespresso coffee maker. So the model name is Vertuo Next. Yan. So come on guys, let's see what's inside the box. So as we open the box, we can see the manual book and the instruction pamphlet where you can see how to operate this machine. But unfortunately, since we are here in Japan, so these are all in Japanese. Okay. So when we purchased this machine, we also got this free coffee capsules. Yan, so let's see what's inside. So ayan, as you can see, it has different colors, meaning to say it has different flavors and it has also different sizes. It depends on your preferences every morning that you want to have your coffee. Yan. And now let's check our machine. So now this is the cord. As you can see, there's a green cord. This is to prevent short circuit. This guys is a part where you can put water, and this one is a trash bin, so for the used capsules, coffee capsules. And for this one, there's an easy way of opening and closing this machine. This is where you will put the capsules, and after that you just have to close after you put the capsule. So regarding on the capsule, as you can see, there's like a barcode in here. So this machine will automatically read what this capsule is. So what size, what flavor. Diba? Napakagaling niya. And yes, so after that, you just have to close. Okay. So in this lower part in here, this circle one, so this is where you will put your mug. So the coffee will dispense in there, and you just have to close like that and press the button in there. So ayan siya guys, and later we will try to make our own first homemade coffee at home. But it's written in the manual that before you use this machine, you have to clean it first. So we'll just have to clean, and then we can make our own coffee. Yay! So now guys, we just cleaned the coffee maker and we are ready to make our own coffee. Yes, it's our first homemade coffee. Now we just have to choose from these capsules what size and what flavor we're going to choose. Regarding on their size, they have 40, 80, 150, and 230 ml. And for summer, they also offer for iced coffee, bigger sizes like 500 plus ml. Okay, and then you just have to put the capsule inside and then close this machine. You just have to lock. Okay, and you can see there's a button in there. You have to put your cup, and there you go. You just push the button. By the way guys, the water that we put here is not a hot water, so it's just a warm water or cold water. It depends on what you want. It's okay, and the machine will of course make it hot. It's actually pretty hot. There. So ayan siya guys. And if you guys love this kind of coffee that is being served from the coffee shop, this coffee maker or coffee machine, an Nespresso Vertuo Next, is a recommended coffee maker for all of you. Yan. Can you see? It's really like coffee being served from the coffee shop. And the smell itself, the smell and the taste is pretty good. Yeah, I recommend this coffee maker talaga. Because nowadays, ang dumadami ngayon sa market is coffee makers that are using capsules already. So unlike beans, coffee beans, when you stop coffee beans, of course the smell will depreciate. Kumbaga, parang mawawala at mawawala yung amoy niya habang tumatagal. So while these capsules, they are being preserved. So when you used one capsule, just one capsule, and after that you are going to throw it, and the smell and the taste are being preserved. Ayan. And ayan guys, our coffee is ready to drink now. Wow, our coffee. Yan, may bula-bula pa talaga siya. Looks so yummy. Ayan. And yes, after we use the machine, we just have to open, and the capsule will automatically, the used capsule will automatically go to the bin. Ayan. So this bin, you can take it off para makuha natin yung used capsule inside. So what's really good in this coffee machine is hindi talaga siya nagtitake time to clean. So unlike other coffee machines that you have to clean everything, dito kasi yung capsule itself na nagamit, hindi siya nagme-messed up. So ganyan lang siya, parang may mga butas lang, pero hindi talaga lumalabas yung coffee beans dyan. Yan. And this foil that they use in here is a special foil. So ayan guys, now we are going to make our another morning coffee. There you go. So this one has milk. Of course, it's up to you. It's your preference if you want to make your milk hotter or you want to make it cold, and then just put coffee in there. Yeah, so we are going to make a latte for this morning. Let's see how it goes, guys. Ayan siya. So makikita ninyo, there's a smoke in there. So talagang pretty hot. Mainit talaga yung lumalabas dyan. Ayan. Para na kayong naka-experience ng coffee from the coffee shop. I really recommend this coffee maker, guys. So guys, that's all for our video for today, and I hope for those people who are coffee addict or coffee lover like me and who are planning to buy a new coffee maker for their homes, I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next vlog. Bye!